Hello and welcome to a new video of HKCM Global. My name is Philip. Today we'll be speaking about the NASDAQ 100 index. Since this is my first video appearance on this channel, let me tell you a little bit about myself. My full name is Philip Klinkmüller. I'm one of the co-founders of HKCM and HKCM Global. I've been an Elliot Wave analyst for the best of over 15 years now. So I'm specialized in this form of analysis. This will also be my main content on this channel. I will try to have a regular appearance on this channel once a week on various topics. My key markets that I'm following and analyzing on a daily basis are gold, silver miners, BTC, ETH, NASDAQ 100 index, and I'm also in general responsible for all the analysis that is happening at HKCM Global. So I'm really looking forward to sharing my knowledge in the future on this channel, showing you interesting charts and setups. For today, as I already said, I'm gonna take a look at the NASDAQ 100 index, so maybe let's just go ahead and dig in. First of all, let's take a look at my overall perspective on the market, my long-term expectations on the NASDAQ, and take a look at where we are right now in terms of the cycles. Currently, I'm expecting the NASDAQ to be on the path for a major cycle top in the near future. We will look at the lower time frames as well to see where we are on that path right now. But generally speaking, I'm expecting the NASDAQ to be in the last few legs of a big major cycle, which will be followed by, of course, also a major and large correction in the market. The minimum target right now is around 23,600 points for the NASDAQ, but this could be expanded to the upside as well, and I will also expand my target zone as we follow up on the current events and how the market is presenting himself in the near future and the coming months and weeks as well. My expectation will be that as soon as we are reaching those minimum targets, that we have to be prepared for a major correction, and this could send down the market around 50%. But at the moment, I'm not expecting the market to be there yet, so I'm still expecting one last major up leg for the NASDAQ, but we are currently also on the brink of starting a larger correction consolidation phase, or we have already started this phase in the last weeks. We'll have to see about that, but I will be explaining this when we look at the detailed charts. My expectation is that the market will require a consolidation, a corrective move in wave 4, which currently I'm expecting to reach targets around 18,600 to 15,800 points approximately, before there will be another, but then final up leg in the market, reaching at least my minimum target around 23,580 to 29,578 points, which will be subject to changes according to what is happening and also according to the substructure that this wave 5 will develop as soon as it gets started. What are we expecting on the imminent chart picture? I called the high in the B wave of wave 4 in the last weeks. We didn't exceed the 22,370 points mark, which was my first upper limit for this B wave. As you can see here, I have another target zone on the chart to even short the market if we should reach those targets, which would allow the NASDAQ to build another high around 23 to 29 and start a sell-off from here. Currently, I'm waiting for a break of 20,694 points to get further confirmation that the market has topped already, and the corrective move here in the C wave of the wave 4 is taking hold. I'm not expecting the NASDAQ at any point here to be in an impulsive move to the upside. So right now I'm definitely not expecting the market to already have started this wave 5. I'm definitely, when I longed the market in this target zone around here, I was already expecting this to be a B wave move, but a substantial B wave move with an overshoot, as it also played out in the end. But the substructure clearly speaks for it to be a B wave and not a impulsive move to the upside, and that's why I'm keeping up my expectation for the market needing another low, coming down into this zone, and from here we have a new chance to go on the long side as well. And this is also reflected by some of the major tech stocks, which we are also following, that I also see as not ready to launch a new upcycle. They need another corrective move. They need more consolidation in order to be able to fuel this next move, this final move in the NASDAQ that I'm seeing. Besides my Elliot Wave analysis and the wave counts, I'm also taking a look, and it's major part of my analysis model as well, is my indicators that I'm looking at here. And if we take a look at the overall long-term picture here, we can see that on the monthly time cycle, the NASDAQ is losing momentum since August 24, since that one sell-off we had there. It's been declining since then. The RSI is clearly overbought. The MACD is also slowing down, let's put it like this. Hasn't crossed down yet. But if we move one time frame lower on the 2-week chart, for example, we can already see we are also clearly losing momentum, but we are also seeing that the MACD has already crossed to the downside, and we are also seeing some minor divergences in comparisons to the last highs we made in the NASDAQ. Going down further along the line, if we skip to the weekly, we have also clear sign losing momentum. We have a cross. We have even stronger divergences on the last highs. And going along to the lower time frames on the daily, the market has also right now in the last week failed with all those attempts to create an upside move. They've all failed. In the substructure, for me, they have all been clearly a corrective move. We have failed, and we also failed in the daily MACD. We've been crossing down again. This is I call it long-short indicator. That's clearly on the short side signal right now. So for me, these are all puzzle pieces for my expectation that we have either already topped out or that we are in the last legs of this upcycle, which will result in a deeper consolidation. Currently, we had this large sell-off starting the week. The market had been, a little oversold, so it wasn't a surprise that it recovered during the later trading hours on Monday evening. But I'm not expecting this move to go very far, and we could already see the next leg down. And if we take a look back at my imminent chart, so this will need to break the 2694 level in order to gain further confirmation that the top is either in, or if we don't break it, we could see another final up leg, but that's all I'm expecting right now is this area around, that's rounded up. It's 23,200, 23,900 points. That's the only upside expectation I'm having right now. That's the max I'm giving the market here, due to the substructure and also due to the situation how the indicators have been developing in the last weeks. So to sum it all up, what am I expecting for the NASDAQ for the coming weeks, for the coming months? I'm expecting this to be on the imminent side to continue its consolidation, but it will then present us another chance to go long in the market, trade the final up leg, but we have to expect a major cycle top in the near future in the NASDAQ. Depending on how this last leg, the wave 5, the yellow wave 5 will present itself, this could extend. Of course, we have to take it along the way as soon as we see how the substructure is developing. But we have to prepare for to take the newest comparison, a 2020 event that I'm seeing coming here in the markets. So this will be the focus for me in the next 12 to 24 months to track this top. And as soon as it will develop, this will be the point where I will be closing out positions and going into cash position in order to not be caught in this major down move that we have to expect here. But for now, I'm still playing the long side for the most of the time, because I'm expecting another nice chance to buy into the market around here and then trade this final up leg. So if you enjoyed this content, if you can take some important information from that, please subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, share the content, and I'm looking forward to the next time. See you.